Hello everyone, we are now showing the sample application system of Zhongjing board. This is an integrated sample block showing the main construction methods and processes of Zhongjing board in practical applications. The sample application system includes light steel keel partition system, board sealing process, V-scene paint decoration process, wall cloth wrapping process, board strip leveling system, M38 keel leveling system and light steel keel sealing system. The first thing to show you is the latex paint finishing process for the board sealing and V-shaped joint. Before installing the decorative crystal board, perform milling treatment on the fixed holes of the board, and one fireproof crystal board needs to be installed on the light steel keel partition wall. After installing the skirting line on the baseboard, fix the decorative crystal board with self-tapping screws. The left side is used for V-shaped seam for the board edge chamfer, and the right side is used for sealing the board gap. Firstly, use caulking gypsum for joint repair, and apply rust prevention treatment and leveling to the nail holes. Then, paste the crack-resistant cloth bandage. Level and polish with waterproof putty, with a width of 250 mm or more. Apply latex primer. Then apply the first latex top coat. And then apply the second latex top coat. Two, wall cloth wrapping process. This means pasting dense cloth on the surface of the decorative crystal board to create a hard wrapping module. Then hung the board on the keel through the installation of hanging widgets on the back. Three, implement board stripe leveling system process on the surface of ALC lightweight partition board to make leveling. And then install the crystal coating board on the wall using the metal shell nosing and batten. 4. The back also applied board stripe leveling system process for leveling, and install the keel hanging widgets. The metal hanging widgets is installed on the back of the crystal coating board, and then it can be hung on the keel. 5. This shows the process of the M38 leveling keel system kit, with crystal coating board installed on the surface through metal shell nosing. 6. With fireproof crystal board as baseboard, crystal gorgeous board is installed using the basic shell nosing and adhesive process. 3M tape and spotted SM adhesive applied on the back to install the crystal gorgeous board. An external corner is applied with shell nosing. 7. This process is a compound of fireproof crystal board and crystal gorgeous board. The hanging widgets are installed on the back of the board, and then hang on the keel. At last, this is the display of the light steel keel sealing system.